नमस्ते। नमस्ते सर।
नमस्ते, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं बताइए?
बस मैं ठीक हूँ सर। ये क्या लेके आए सर?
ये आज एक
ये तो हल्दी
का पत्ता है। तो ये हल्दी का पत्ता का साथ हल्दी का एक सूखा पत्ता मैं दिखा रहा हूँ।
अच्छा,
इसका क्या काम कर रहा है? ये जो सूखा पत्ता है
ओके,
जिसका हिकअप बोलते हैं,
ओके,
तो उसी के लिए इसका ये सूखा पत्ता को क्या करना है, थोड़ा पाउडर करके इसको सिगरेट जैसे बना लीजिए।
अच्छा, अच्छा।
उसका बाद क्या करना है, उसको स्मोक करने से आपका हिकअप जो हो रहा है ना, वो करीब 5 मिनट का अंदर ही वो ठीक हो जाता है।
अरे वाह,
ये सबसे
अरे
अच्छा
वाह।
मैजिक जैसे काम करता है।
So nice of you, sir.
तो इसको किसी बनाना है, आप थोड़ा दिखा दीजिए।
Dear viewers, you can see this is turmeric leaf, and in Ayurveda you all know that the value of turmeric and turmeric leaf. We all have so many values, but today we are talking, as sir suggested, the dry leaf of turmeric. And this is very useful in case a person is having continuous hiccup, because nowadays you take many of your medicines, hiccup doesn't go quickly. So the dry leaf is so useful. Why? Because with this we can prepare a cigarette, and the cigarette has to be smoked, and the dry, the hiccup will go in no time. I just show you. This is what I got. This is a paper, and this is the dry leaf. It has to make a cigarette kind of like this, right? And with a matchstick or whatever it is, it has to smoke and take like this. It's not a cigarette, but the smell of this, basically the leaf,
Yes.
the leaf, this is turmeric leaf, that will clear all the throats. Wherever there's a blockage, that will clear it up. Once that is cleared, then your hiccup will go off. Just see, without any difficulty, without any trouble, with a small piece of turmeric leaf, we can cure hiccup. So please keep watching. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you
so much for
thank
this
you.
wonderful, tips, health tips. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.